Welcome to Trick Word List number 2. On this list, we will be practicing and learning words 21 through 40. The first word on list 2 is the word have. If you look at the picture card, you'll see that the E is crossed out. That's because we don't pronounce this sound. The word have has a h, have. Remember to say the word and sentence after me. Have. I have one dog. Have. The next word is the word were. Again, that last E is crossed out because we don't say that sound. But look at that E and R in the middle of the word. That E looks kind of mean, and that R looks like a dog and he's growling, saying "err." Those two letters together make the sound "err." The word is were. Remember to read and say the word and sentence after me. Were. We were at home. Were. The next word is the word her. Again, look at that R and that E. That little dog is growling again. The word is her. This is her book. Her. The next word in list number 2 is the word put. And look at the picture. We put that word on a table. Put. I put it on the table. Put. The next word is the word there. Again, that final E is crossed out because we don't say that sound. This word starts with a TH, thumb, th, and then the sounds there. The word is there. There is a book. There. Now we come to the word what. In the picture card, it looks like there's water underneath the letters W-H-A. That's because the beginning of this word sounds like the beginning of the word water. Wa. The word is what. What is your name? What? Notice at the end of our sentence there's a question mark. That's because we're asking the question, what is your name? The next word is the word she. It starts with an SH, ship, shh. And look at that little E. He's saying his name, E. The word is she. She is my friend. She. Now we come to the word bin. And there's a picture of a queen on this picture card. That's because the words queen and the word bin look the same, but they don't sound the same. We don't say, I have been to see the queen. We say, I have been to see the queen. Been. I have been to school. Been. The next word is the word by. Look at that letter Y. It looks like it's starting to cry. That's because when you see a Y at the end of a word all by itself with no other vowels, it'll say either an I like in cry or an E like in happy. In this case, it's saying an I like in the word cry. Repeat after me. By. It is by the zoo. By. Now we come to the word who. And look at that O. It looks like a little owl. That's because this word sounds like what owls say. Who, who. The word is who. Who is there? Who? The next word is the word out. Look at that mean letter U. He's pulling that little O's hair, and that little O is saying, ow! That's because oftentimes these two letters make the sound ow. This word is out. Go out the door. Out. The next word in our list is the word so. And look at that little O. He's saying his name. Oh. The word is so. He is so big. So. This next word is the word are. If you look at the picture card, that little dog is looking at that apple and he's hungry. He's saying his name, are. These two letters together often make the sound are. And that final E is crossed out. That's because we don't say that sound. Remember to read the words and sentence after me. Are. You are a good friend. Are. This word is the word to. It sounds like the other word we learned, to, but this one has a W in it. This word to is for the number 2, and if you look below the W, you'll see 2 dots. That will help you remember that this word is for the number 2. Repeat after me. 2. I have 2 pets. 2. The next word is the word about. And you can see the smaller word out in this word. Again, that U is pulling that O's hair and he's saying ow. This word is about. Repeat after me. About. What is it about? About. The next word is the word into. Look at this word. It's divided into two smaller words. The first word is the word in, and the second word is the word to. If you put them together, you get the word into. Repeat after me. Into. Put it into the can. Into. The next word is the word only. If you look at the picture card, you'll see the O is saying his name. O. And look at that Y all by itself at the end. This time it's saying E, like in the word happy. Repeat after me. Only. I only have one. Only. Now we come to the word other. You can see there's a TH, thumb, in this word. And look at that little dog growling at that mean E again. He's saying Repeat after me. Other. Try the other one. Other. The next word is the word new. You can see that the lines around this word are making it look all bright and shiny and new. And look at that E and W. That E has eaten a chocolate bar and he's got chocolate all over his face. That W's pointing at him and saying, ew. These two letters together often make the sound ew. Repeat after me. New. I will get a new one. New. The last word on list 2 is the word some. Again, that final E is crossed out because we don't say that sound. And look at that O. It looks like a piece of candy all wrapped up in a wrapper. I'd like to have some. Repeat after me. Some. Can I have some? Some. Now we're going to read all of the words on list 2. For this part of the activity, you will need your list number 2 words, a whiteboard marker, and a sock or something to erase with. We're going to start at the top under the word have. This is the word that starts with the H. Remember to circle and read your words after me. When we come to the end of a line, we're going to swoop down to the next line, just like we're reading a book. Ready? Here we go. Have. Were. her, put. Swoop down to the next line. There, what, she, been. Swoop down to the next line. By, who, out, so. Swoop on down to the next line. Are, to, about, into. Swoop on down to that last line. Only, other, new, some. Great job. Now erase your markings. We're going to go back and read the words one more time, but this time just a little bit faster. Okay, put your marker under that first word that starts with an H, and remember to read the words after me. Have, were, her, put, there, what, she, been, by, who, out, so, are, to, about, into, only, other, new, some. Excellent reading. Remember to erase your markings on your list number 2 words so that they'll be ready for next time. Excellent job on list 2. Soon you are going to be an excellent reader.